So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Within this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can copy any text on the screen of your iPhone. Even if it's not you will be directly able to copy it. There's a trick that you can use to copy that text. Now, in order to do it, just simply take a screenshot. For example, if I want to copy some text from this particular page, this is my home page only. Now, if I or all I need to do is just simply take a screenshot, and once I do that, just simply click tap on the screenshot on the below left corner. Once you do that, here on this bottom right corner, you're gonna find this icon that says copy, that something looks like a text icon. When you press over there, here you can see it has deducted all the text that are present on my screen. Now I can directly copy. For example, if I want to copy this one, or let's say if I want to copy this one, I can copy any of the text that I want to from my screen. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.